All right, so let's graph up two angles onto these coordinate planes. The first one I'm going to do in red here is going to be 225 degrees. Now it's positive. So remember that 0 degrees always starts from the right-hand side. And then positive means counterclockwise. So if this is 0, then this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, and we're back at 360 and 0, which is good. That's where you want to be. So now we have to think to ourselves, where does 225 belong? Well, 225 is halfway in between 180 and 270. So I'm just going to draw a line halfway between 180 and 270. I want one line on my 0 so that I get a full angle. And then I want to draw my arc because I need to know whether I went this way to get my angle or whether I took the inside route. Now this is where being a positive angle or positive 225 comes in. We must go counterclockwise. We must go up and around from 0. Alright, so the next one I'm going to do in blue, because the next one I'm going to do is negative 30 degrees. Now this one is a negative angle. So it still starts in the same place. It still starts at 0 on the right hand side. But now that it's negative 30, we want to go clockwise or down and around. So if here is 0, then we go and the first one we hit is 90, 180, 270, and back to 360. So you'll notice that 0, 360, and 180 don't move, but whether this angle is positive or negative determines where 90 goes and then where 270 goes. So we've got to do the same thing. 30 degrees is a little bit of the ways between 0 and 90. It's closer to 0, so we're just going to draw it a little bit closer to 0. I still want a straight line at 0. Now I need to determine whether I went over and around or whether I went through. My arrow says that we went clockwise from 0.